Yeah, hello to the third episode of Tips and Tricks and Tiny Hacks that every C programmer should know about. Today we talk about a very special combination of characters which on the first look seems to be an operator. The talk is about the dash dash greater than. Welcome to my C Talkthroughs. Yeah, in C programming, the symbol dash dash greater than does not represent an operator. Instead, it is a combination of two separate operators, in particular double dash, so minus minus, and greater than. And that combination is also known as goes to. To understand how this goes to operator works, we go through this little code snippet here. So, in the example, there is a conditional code here which decrements x while outputs the x value, and in every iteration it compares the decremented value with 0 using the greater than operator. Basically, this counts backwards. So let's check that. Yeah, as you can see, this is a very elegant version of counting backwards, and it is easy to avoid a long and complicated for loop, and in the end it outputs us 10 digits from 9 to 0. And yeah, it's so much shorter. So let's have a look here again at the operator, which is not really an operator because we have here the minus minus for decrementing the x, and here a greater than. And that we can use in a conditional. As always, you can find a link to the code repository in the description of this video. Thanks for watching. Please give it a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button and the bell. See you for the next episode of myCTalkthroughs.